Hello all, welcome to Torch Software. In this video we're going to have a quick look at some of the devices that the solution will work along. So we advertise it as working within a web browser, which you can see here, and that's the main solution that the design is based around. But on the left hand side here you can see we've got a mobile device that's projected onto this MacBook here, so we can see a like-for-like comparison. So on the right hand side, within the web-based application, we can see that we're looking at the home screen, we can see the panels. If we scroll up there, we can see panels underneath and all laid out quite nicely. If we move over to the mobile device, again, we can see the top panels are now lined out vertically, and the panels on the underside are similarly scrolling up vertically up there. So in other words, everything's readable and we can see what's happening there quite nicely. If we look at the customer listing on the web portal, then what we can see here is all the information displayed here. Let's go and have a look at the mobile device. Customers show all. Then we can see we've got the majority of information or the highlights, and then we can select one of those and we can click on the little plus sign at the beginning of the line. So if we click on that, we can see the remainder of the information. It pops into view. Click that back off and we can see that. Let's go into jobs, just have a quick look at a job. So we have a list of jobs and we can see, for example, taking one at random, 1043, we can see that 1043 has some files attached to it, some imagery. So if we click on those files there, we can see we do have indeed 3 images attached to that particular job. Let's look at the corresponding entry on a mobile device. So if we scroll down to jobs, show all, look at 1043, expand the entry by clicking on the plus, and then we can see the files button. Click on the files button, and again we can scroll through the imagery. So we can see that we have a like-to-like interface between the two devices. Similarly, if we wanted to use it on a tablet, it would be sized accordingly on the tablet. It would display more of the entries on a per row basis without clicking on the plus sign, and so on. Hope that gives a bit of an idea about how it can be used across different devices. As always, if there's any questions, just let us know. Thanks.